What is up, creatives? My name is Alan and welcome to the channel. This is the Hopeful Designer, and we are up again, not a Canva design hack, but for a Canva tutorial. And this time I'm going to present to you 5 things that I think you still don't know it is possible to do while creating your designs at Canva. So before we start, I would like to invite you to smash and click the like button and subscribe, and also ring the notification bell so that you'll always get updated when every time we post. So for our first tips, this time you can know the location. You can present to you an interactive Google map at your designs. Okay, so this design is when you download this as PNG, of course it won't become effective. But when you download your presentation as a PDF or as a video or as a PowerPoint, this is going to become effective. This is going to become interactive. So as you can see right now, you can also zoom it, you can also out zoom it, you can check out the locations of every thing that is going to happen here at this map. So in order for do this, okay, we're just going to erase that temporarily. In order to do this, you just need to go to the more section and find there the Google map, okay, and then type in the location that you wanted to input. For example, here the Eiffel Tower. Oh, I really love and dream to go at the Eiffel Tower someday. But for now, we're going to go through it through Canva Google Maps. Okay, and as you can see, you can also make it large or you can make it small depending on how size you want it to be on your design. And you can also zoom it, and you can see it's totally interactive. Like the locations that is near the Eiffel Tower, you can also zoom it so that you'll get close to the Eiffel Tower. So yes, that's the tip of the Eiffel Tower. And as you can see, there are also yellow and red and gray arrows, which tells you what are the restaurants, the bars, or the places that are available near the Eiffel Tower. So it's totally interactive and it doesn't lose any settings that are available when you type in to Google the Google Maps. Okay, so next we have brand logos. Okay, so it's totally a struggle for us designers to find a quality and zero transparent logo of any brands that we need according to our design. So this is going to become a breakthrough for some of you guys. So just go to the more section and then click the brand fetch. Okay, just connect your account there and you'll see a bunch of different amazing brand logos here. For example, we have McDonald's. There we have 4 different McDonald's logos, and great. And guess what? It's totally free, and it has amazing quality, and some of it are zero background. So maybe you'll notice that every time we try to click a logo, okay, for example, this one, the Tesla, when we try to click that, you can see it's uploading on our upload section. So every time you try to click this logo on the brand fetch and you find yourself needing it one day, you just go to upload section and just click it. Okay, so these are the amazing logos that we find on brand fetch. There are a lot of it. You can just type in their website and brand fetch will identify what website it is and will present you the logos that are available on it. So there we have it. So next thing we have comic illustrations. This one is really perfect for branding. You know that feeling in Canva every time you try to search at Canva elements, a series of the same designs or the same concepts for branding, but it turns out it only has one. So this is going to become a breakthrough for us. We'll try to create a branding. This one is totally free and you can just connect your Canva account on. Just click go to more section and just click Pixelton. Okay, just connect your account there. It's totally free, no payment or subscriptions required as long as you have Canva. And you will see here a bunch of comic illustrations that are available for use. And you can see here a pregnant, is that really a pregnant woman jogging around? Why do they have that? Oh, what? Okay, let's just wait. Okay, let's just imagine. I just don't know how to explain that thing. Oh, look. Oh, so now we have here a girl that is dabbing. dabbing is really cool. And you can also see here a guy with some hearts on his head. He feels love, right? And wait, you can also see here a woman dubbing. Wow, there's a lot of dubbing happening around here, but this is really amazing. Comic illustrations. Just connect your account at Pixelton, and it doesn't require you any subscriptions or anything for you to use it. Okay, so there we have it. Next, we have the embeds. Okay, so what is embeds? These are like form of interactive links that you place in here so that your designs will be more interactive. So this is how you do it. Just go to more section and click the embed and just type in the link that you wanted to input. So for example, we have here our YouTube video. Have you watched this one, the pop out effect? I recommend you guys watching it, and just copy the link. And then once you've copied it, just paste it on here on the add to design section. And then once you've clicked the add to design, you will see here the video being embedded on your presentation. So how will it work, Alan? So of course, if you download this as a PNG, it won't totally work. But if you download this as a website form, presentation, PDF, it will work. So is it interactive? Yes, it is interactive. You can watch it the way you watch it on your YouTube video. So I actually use it on my website to present my YouTube channel. And does it have the same setting as YouTube? Yes, it does. So it's totally interactive, just like the way YouTube does. So if you still haven't watched any of these videos that you see on the screen, I recommend you guys binge watching my YouTube my YouTube videos, because you'll learn a lot from it. Okay, so for our fifth step, for our fifth tip, I'm going to teach you guys how to create a QR code at Canva. So you just go to more section and click the QR code logo there, just like this one. So, and then after that, just paste link and then click generate code, and then as you can see, it's also uploading on the uploaded section, so you can use it anytime. Okay, so let's take a look on what is being input on this code that we have here. Okay, so let's take a look at it on the QR code scanner. Okay, so there we have it. You can see it's really effective. Oh, it's my YouTube channel. So if you've tried to scan this and see that you are not yet subscribed, just don't hesitate. Push that like button and click subscribe and ring the notification bell. And I'll see you on our next video. Bye.